is coming back.
No, he's not.
Let's go home.
The Odyssey is a massive story. That's a really exciting challenge to take on.
This is definitely the biggest movie that I've ever done in my career in terms of its scale. Definitely the biggest movie I've ever done in terms of its ambition.
A great filmmaker like Christopher Nolan can do scope and action and fantasy, but also heart and humanity and depth and rawness.
That doesn't mean you will come back.
What if I can't?
I feel like this particular picture is an accumulation of all of his skills and all of his experiences and him at his best, going for it.
It's just the perfect story for Chris. From the second I first read the script, even though I'm in the movie, I'm really imagining myself watching the movie. And I'm like, I'm almost more excited to watch it. I just can't wait to see what they've come up with.